Next is Aidan with Swyftlyt, solving climate change one home at a time. Ooh, nice, swaggy outfit too.
Good evening. I'm Aidan Vogel, founder and CEO of Swyftlyt. We are revolutionizing the home building industry by manufacturing homes that reverse climate change. The traditional home building industry and process is plagued by labor and supply chain shortages, which inflates costs and it delays projects for both the builder and the home buyer. Furthermore, the construction industry is notoriously wasteful and it contributes 40% of the global greenhouse gas emissions. Now, fortunately, 70% of the homes that are needed to satisfy the demand haven't even been built yet. So, by automating offsite construction and exploiting modular design, our team with 25 years of experience will begin manufacturing the homes that will be able to pave the way to the next climate revolution. We're raising a pre-seed of $1 million, and I look forward to sitting down with each of you to discuss future-proofing your footprint. Thank you very much for your time and consideration. You guys have a great rest of your night. Cheers.